Hey, this is Mark here with Green Gro at Monster Gardens, filming again today about our product, Earthshine Biochar blend. So let's talk about this unique product. It's a blend of biochar, soy meal, worm castings, glacial minerals, and humic acid. And this is an ancient Native American formulation that we discovered while studying at the University of California. This was a style of farming that in the Amazonian basin in South America that was last used about 500 years ago by some of the Native Americans in that region. They use this kind of as their main fertilizer or rejuvenation tool for their fields. So they had hardwoods down there. They had soy was one of their main crops. It was in a really glacial or mineral-rich soil. And then they added compost from their compost piles, and they buried all that stuff in the soil and let it sit, and then when it came back, they'd plant their next crop. And so we studied those soils, and we tried to emulate the best we could in a packaged form how to make what they had been doing for thousands of years. So we believe this biochar blend can be used for many different things, including rejuvenating and reconstituting your old soil, brewing it in compost tea, top dressing during the bloom cycle to help aid in like the stalk and branch size swelling, the structure of the plant, the cell walls, and as a compost tea aid, if you add this to your normal compost tea, it'll cut the brew time. So say you're brewing for 24 hours, we think you can get it done in 12 to 16. If you're brewing for 12 hours, maybe break down to 8. So it's kind of cool in that way. And then there's also, we call it a rescue remedy for soil. So if you think you have salt lock or some weird undiagnosable root issue that you can't really figure out, we recommend shaking some of this up with water and then filtering the water out and watering the plant with it. And that may pull the salt lock or pull you out of and adjust the pH. This has a higher pH, around 8.2. So it can, if you have some acidity going on in your soil or something bad with the root zone, this could shock it out of what's going on. So we call it a rescue remedy. We say it's good for rejuvenating old soil. If you're going to amend your old soil from last year, you simply take 5 pounds per yard of soil and till it into the top 12 inches and then water it. And your soil should be very, very nice again by the springtime. It dissolves the root ball in your soil and puts those nutrients back in. It also helps keep all of the living organisms churning throughout the winter and springtime. So it really creates a living ecosystem in your soil. It has saproacidic bacteria, mycelium, and a few different types of lactobacillus. So the sizes of the Earthshine you can buy it in are 2 pound, 5 pound, a 5-gallon bucket, and a 1,000-pound tote. Thanks for trying it. We really would like you, if you're going to try to rejuvenate your soil, to try this route. It's a one-shot and takes care of everything.